In the previous video, we talked in brief about the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation and how it will be implemented in learning the concepts of the lesson, how big, how heavy. Starting now, let's move on to the first period of the lesson where we will build the concepts of the lesson through innovative situation-based problems and classroom discussion. This will help students to gain perspective of 3D objects in 2D, making shapes of cubes and cylinders, appreciating volume of a solid body, intuitive and informal measurement. In order to start with the lesson, we need to make some arrangements in the classroom. We will need cube-shaped box and rectangular paper sheet. Along with this, we will also need some pebbles or some other objects to fill the box. Now, to build the concepts of the lesson, we will enter the classroom with a cube-shaped box and place it before the students. Then ask them, "Can you describe the object I have kept before you?" Accept all the responses, including in the local language. Students may answer, "It has 6 sides." Next, ask them, "Can you tell me the shape of each side?" Students may respond saying, "Each side is a square shape." Follow these responses with another question such as, "Do you know what such an object is called?" After receiving the responses, summarize and inform the students that the object kept before them is called a cube. Moving on, we will now demonstrate the cylindrical shape. For this, hold the sheet of the paper in front of the students, roll it together breadthwise, stick the two edges together with a sellotape. Now, hold it before the students and ask them, "What was the shape of this object before I rolled it together?" Possible response could be rectangular. Follow this up and inquire, "And do you know what the shape of this object is?" Possible response, cylindrical. Follow up and ask, "Has anybody heard of the word cylinder used for some object of similar shape?" Accept relevant responses. Mention to the students that gas cylinders and oxygen cylinders have the same shape. Wasn't this an easy way to guide students to learn simple concepts? But it's not the end here. Let's see the next explanation in our next video.